Hey everyone, my name is Arthur Morris and I'm your instructor for this course. You see my picture here, but on this video we did not have sound. Now the reason I made this video and put this in here is so that you could have some extra practice for the homework problems and the quiz problems that are in my stat lab. Now you have a practice assignment, and then you have a homework assignment, and then you have a quiz assignment. On the practice assignment, you have multiple attempts to complete the problems. On the homework assignment, you have two attempts per problem to work, and then on the quiz, you complete the entire quiz one time, and then if you want to complete it another time, then you can. So that's how that goes. But it was brought to my attention that you may see some problems in the homework and on the quiz that are not exactly like the problems that you see in the practice problems. So what we're going to do is provide you with a little extra assistance. So you'll see some attachments here, and actually this first attachment should say week one homework problems. And then the second one says week one quiz problems list. And when you open this link here, this top attachment here, when you open it up, you'll get a page like this. Now on this page, you'll see the questions that are listed, and under the question ID is what you want to pay attention to. So problem number one will be similar to the problem in the book in section 1.1, problem number four. Problem number two on the homework problems will be similar to section 1.1, problem number 11, and then problem number three on the homework problems will be similar to the book problem 2.1, section 2.1, problem number three. Now, how do you get extra practice on those? Well, what you want to do, you want to come back to your home page and click on content. And then when you click on content, that's going to take you to this page here. Now, I'm not sure what will come up. If you don't see this My Stat Lab that comes up when you first click on it, just scroll down and click on My Stat Lab, and then it will bring up this page here. Now, there are a bunch of resources here that you can use. The one I'm going to talk about in particular today is the textbook. So click on the textbook, and you have some reading assignments in the textbook as well. So this is how you find your textbook. So if you click on that textbook link, you may have to accept some kind of agreement. But once you do that, it should end up with opening up the book for you. Okay, now back to this page. Problem number one on the homework problem, not the practice on the homework, is similar to section 1.1, problem number four. Well, to get some extra practice, I can come into my textbook, go into chapter 1, section 1.1, and then you have all of your reading assignments, of course. So I'm just going to skip over to the problems. So it says problems for section 1.1. Now, this symbol here will take you out to some practice problems, and these practice problems will not have any type of effect on the homework that you do in my stat lab. It'll look just like it, but it won't have any type of effect on on those grades. So if I want to look at a problem that's similar to section 1.1 number 4 in the textbook, which is going to be similar to problem number 1 on the homework, then I can click on this earth button, this link here. And you see it says exercises number 1 through 11. And these are practice problems that it's going to take you out to. So if I click there, then you see multimedia textbook exercise set. I can come down to problem number 4, and you can practice all of them if you want to, but if I just want to look at that particular problem, I can come down to exercise problem number 4 and wait for it. You have this problem that you can practice on that will be similar to that same problem on the homework. And you still have your question help tools here. So you can try to work the problem, use your question help tools, check your answer, try again, and you can continue to do that. This is just extra practice. Again, this doesn't count for you or against you, but it helps you to prepare for the practice problems assignment there, or the homework assignment, I'm sorry. And also, uh, like I said, you'll have two links, and we'll do this every week. So you'll have two links, and this first link should say week one homework problems list, and this second link says week one quiz problems list. So if I click on that and I bring that up, then I can see what type of problems are going to be on my quiz. Well, problem number one on my quiz is going to be similar to 1.1 number 6. So if I come back over here to my textbook, well, I already have this open. Then this is section 1.1. I can look at problem number 6, and I can practice on a problem similar to that one. And so that's how it's going to work. Those are your extra practice problems. I hope that you will find this resource to be beneficial to you. This course does take some work, so make sure you work diligently every day and practice. And as you're going through here, I know we have a lot to cover each week, but make sure, be sure that you go through here in order. So workshop one, read the introduction, read the outcomes, look and see what we have assigned. And it may take more than 25 hours. I don't know, but just be sure that you allot yourself plenty of time, allow yourself plenty of time to complete these assignments. And then go to the next page, the reading assignment. Here are your resources that you will need. Gives you some, you said this is the type of background information that you will need. Um, and look at your instructions. Make sure you download the appropriate files. Make sure you download whatever introduction you need, whatever data analysis tool pack. Watch the videos and see what you need to do to download that correctly, and get that into Microsoft Excel. And then here are videos here with some extra help on creating histograms, either in Excel 2010, 2013, or 2016. Again, yes, it takes time and it's going to take a lot of practice. Uh, Please just be sure to put forth the effort to be successful in this course. Alrighty. Well, I hope that you found this video to be helpful, and I hope that you found the resources that I'm providing to be helpful as well. Thanks, and have a great day.